What's up, everybody? I am baking up a storm today in my kitchen. It's Gavin. I've got a cracking recipe for you. Greek yogurt and zucchini bread. This is a phenomenal recipe. It's moist, delicious, and more importantly, it's got veggies in there for your kids. It's amazing. Let's get baking.
Bacon.
Baking.
Bacon?
Greek yogurt, 1 egg, maple syrup, coconut oil, pecan butter, mashed banana, coconut sugar, white flour, oat flour, baking soda, cinnamon. Combine dry with wet. Fold in zucchini. Go. Oh, look at that. You see all the pieces of zucchini, the pecans. Man, that smells fantastic. Let me have a taste. Take 25 of our taste test. She's already started. All right.
I haven't stopped.
Hasn't stopped. The first thing about this is it's super duper moist. The Greek yogurt, the pecan butter add a richness to it. It's really, really delicious. And remember, when you're mixing it, it might seem dense, but the water's going to come out of the zucchini as the bread bakes.
Kids love it. They don't really know they're eating zucchini, so that's another
way to eat their vegetables.
Yeah.
Dynamite recipe. I'll put a link to the pecan butter below. Thank you, everybody. We appreciate it. You know what to do. Subscribe if you want more videos and love the videos. Leave a comment, all that good stuff. We appreciate all of you. Thanks for watching.